Relax for it, so here it is. Family size jambalaya. Let me show you how I do that. All right, we got to heat it up. We're going to brown down that sausage. That's only 2 pounds of sausage. All right, 2 pounds of pork right here. 2 pounds of chicken. And this one. We're going to hit it with that swamp fever marinade. Get that all mixed in. Hit them with a little Cajun seasoning. I got polywog today. And we're gonna let them chill out till it's time to go in the pot. Go ahead and cut up your trinity. We got 2 onions, a bell pepper, and 1 rib of celery. We're gonna get that sausage pulled out. Come look at this. Remember I told you wasn't gonna put no grease? Look at all of that grease and all that fat that the sausage rendered out. Now we're going in with that pork. Brown that pork down. All right, we got the last of that pork pulled off. Got a good browning on it. Now we're going in with our chicken. Oh, yeah. All right, we got the last of that chicken coming out. Look at all that grat at the bottom of the pot. You see all that? It's not burnt. It ain't stuck. That's flavor. Now we're coming in with the trinity. Get all of that. We're gonna sweat that down. About to pick all that up. Add you a little bit of garlic, about that much. Get that worked in. And we're coming right back in with that sausage. Follow that up with your pork. Boom. Get all that juice, that's flavor. And now we're coming 24 ounces of chicken stock. Get that in there. Work that back up to a boil. All right, come with a little bit of wash your sister. That much. And some hot sauce. I'm going to do about that much. About a 1/4 bottle. All right, we're going to hit it with a little garlic powder. A little onion powder. Black pepper. And back at it with that polywog. I'm going to season this jambalaya a lot, so it looks like I'm seasoning it a lot. That rice is going to soak a lot of that up. So if it looks like I'm seasoning more than I normally do, that's why. We had it cooking down. Now we're going to go in with almost the whole can of cream of mushroom. Just whatever it's going to let out. Like all that could stay. Work that in. Alright, now we're going in with a gallon of water. This is a 1/2 gallon. Stole it from my old lady. I'm going to fill it back up and add the rest. Alright, we're back up to a boil. Now we're going in with 3.75 pounds of rice, or 3 pounds, 12 ounces. It's about 3 3/4. Get it in there. And at the beginning, we're going to stir it around so nothing sticks. Then we're going to add our chicken back in too. I add my chicken last because I don't want my chicken to break up and just turn into mush because it cooks down so long. When it gets back up to a boil, we're going to put it on simmer, cover it, 15 minutes, and we're going to come back and check it. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Let's check it out. Oh, yeah. We're going to give it one little fluff. Look at that, boy. Beautiful. All right, we're cutting that off. 15 more minutes, and it's going to be saucy done. All right, time's up. 15 minutes. Let's check it out. Look at that. Perfect jambalaya. Just like that. Let's get that plated up and run a taste test. There you have it. Jambalaya, family size. Now I'm the oldest of 6, so this is a family size. Let's run a taste test. Go tell your mom and them.